why you keep forgetting what you study for the NCLEX and how to fix it? If you've ever closed your laptop after hours of studying for the NCLEX boards and thought, I just read all of this, why can't I remember anything? You're not alone. And more importantly, you're not the problem. Hello, I am Nurse Miriam. Welcome to the Nurse Career Blueprint channel. Most NCLEX candidates don't struggle because they're not smart enough. They struggle because they're using a study method that feels productive but does nothing for long-term memory or test performance. Let's fix that. The real reason you're forgetting: you are studying in a way that tricks your brain into feeling familiar rather than forcing it to remember. And the NCLEX is not a familiarity exam. It's a retrieval exam. You don't pass by recognizing information. You pass by being able to pull the information out of your brain under pressure. That's a completely different skill. Here are 4 study habits that are secretly hurting you. The habits that create the illusion of learning: highlighting pages of notes, watching lectures repeatedly, reading your notebook over and over, making beautiful study guides that you rarely test yourself on. These feel safe, comfortable, organized, but they don't build recall, they build recognition. And recognition disappears the moment the question is worded differently on the NCLEX. So here is what the NCLEX actually tests. The NCLEX doesn't ask, do you remember what you read? It asks, can you recognize the pattern in this scenario and make the safest decision? That requires pattern recognition, clinical judgment, rapid recall, elimination skills. Those skills are built by practicing questions, not rereading. They're brain science you were never taught. There's a concept called retrieval practice. This means that the act of trying to remember something creates the memory. It is not reading it, it is not highlighting it, it is not watching it, it is trying to recall it. Every time you force your brain to retrieve information, the memory pathway gets stronger, like a muscle. That is why you can remember song lyrics from 10 years ago but forget what you studied yesterday. You retrieve the song thousands of times. You only read the notes once. Read the fix, a simple 3-step daily method. Do this for 7 days. Step 1, practice 25 questions per day, not 100 questions. Not 200 questions, just 25 high-quality questions daily, because the magic is not in the number, it's in the review. Step 2, review rationales. This is where most students waste the opportunity. You don't learn from getting questions wrong. You learn from understanding why the right answer is right and why the others are wrong. That's where pattern recognition is built. Step 3, teach it back in 30 seconds. After reviewing a question, pause and say, okay, if I had to teach this to someone in 30 seconds, what would I say? That forces retrieval, that locks it in. That's how you stop forgetting. Why this works faster than reading for hours? Because you are training your brain for how the NCLEX operates. You're practicing recognizing clues, eliminating distractors, identifying priority, seeing patterns across diseases. You start noticing things like, oh, this question is not about asthma. It is about airway priority. That is when scores start going up. What happens after 1 week of this method? Students usually report less panic when answering questions, seeing patterns faster, remembering rationales for new questions, feeling like the content is finally sticking because now you're studying in a way your brain understands. The big mindset shift. Stop asking yourself, how many hours did I study today? Start asking, how many times did I force my brain to retrieve information today? Now check out this simple 7-day challenge. For the next 7 days, practice 25 questions per day. Do the rationales review. Do the 30-second teach back. No rereading, no highlighting, no passive studying, just retrieval. Watch what happens. Please subscribe to the Nurse Career Blueprint channel for all things nursing. Final truth. Most people don't tell you. You don't forget because you're bad at studying. You forget because no one taught you how memory actually works. Now you know. And once you switch methods, NCLEX studying becomes less frustrating, and your scores start reflecting the effort you are putting in. Small strategy, big score difference. You've got this. Subscribe to the Nurse Career Blueprint YouTube channel. Please leave a comment and share. Thanks for watching.